The answers to the unit PEF activity 1 prediction questions. So for the first one, I think the stone is an energy receiver since it is the one moving and increasing in speed. I think the elastic slingshot is the energy receiver and the energy giver. It receives energy first from the person pulling the electric band backward, then becomes the energy giver when launching the stone. Because it transfers the energy to the stone. So for the second question, I said instead of pulling the carts to compress the rubber band, I would try to pull the rubber band to compress the rubber band more, giving the rubber band itself more of a pull to stretch it out. It would stretch the energy. It would increase the energy in the rubber band, causing the carts to move faster, thus increasing the kinetic energy of the carts themselves. So for the next question, I think that if the spring was compressed even more, I think that would increase the energy of the carts. These aren't completely written properly, but I think that the carts would increase in energy and it would increase the spring itself would, if it was sprung backwards, would increase the energy that was given to the cart and increase the kinetic energy that the cart gained. Like increasing the kinetic energy of the cart because of the energy they'd gained from the spring. The next one. I think that if the two carts had different masses, the speed of both carts wouldn't be the same. I think that the cart with the higher mass would move at a slower speed than the cart with the lower mass. I'm sorry, wait. I think the cart with the higher mass would move at a slower speed than the cart with the lower mass, yeah. Because it would take more force to make the higher mass cart move. And the last question, if one of the carts had an incredibly larger mass, I think it would have a very minor increase in kinetic energy and move at a much lower speed than the other cart. The other cart would completely take off and have a large increase in kinetic energy, where the cart with the large mass would need a bigger force of energy to make it move and thus make it increase immensely in kinetic energy. And those are my questions. Thank you. Or my answers. Thank you.